Hello, my name is Rob, and I am the Director of Site Operations and Quality Assurance at Kachingle, and I'm here to give you a quick tour of our bundling, billing, and co-marketing platform for apps and app markets. You can see and play with a minimized version of this demo at Kachingle.com. Just click the subscribers link, and you'll see something akin to what I'm showing you here today. First, let me tell you a little bit about what we're doing here, which is solving the problem of apps having trouble making revenue. Part of what we're doing is bundling apps together, which helps get over the penny gap of getting people to pay at all. It makes it really easy for apps to market to each other within a bundle. And there's a one-stop shopping aspect, which makes it easy for users to build their own bundles, and which also makes for easy app discovery. The revenue is entirely usage-based, so it's hands-free. You turn on an app you want to use, Kachingle tracks your usage. The vendors make money based on the actual usage of their apps. And we pay out in micropayments, and I mean down to the penny. Subscribers can buy a bundle at a price point that works for them. Vendors can price their apps by value, and vendors get paid even if someone just tries their app for a day or just uses it once or twice a year. So this is what you'll see on the Kachingle homepage itself, which is just a few bundles that demonstrate a couple of the myriad ways that we can set up bundling and bundle usage. There are several working demo apps and virtual money, so anyone can experiment as a subscriber. What I'm going to show you today looks a little more like what an app marketplace might do with such bundles. Kachingle can host or white label such a marketplace, or just power the bundling on an existing marketplace. We're going to look at this demo from the point of view of a business who's looking for apps to use for their startup. So let's say my company's called Acme Services and I need apps to help run my new business. I see 3 biz app bundles here with different price points and different numbers of apps in each bundle and different apps in each bundle. I can explore each one, but let's drill down to the $250 a month Biz Apps Plus, because that's right in my price range. I can learn all about this bundle on the bundle profile page, which can be customized by the marketplace to promote the features and apps included in the bundle. I can also drill down into the profiles of the individual apps, which we'll look at later. But this bundle looks exactly like what I need for my business, so I'm signing up. Now, I'm not going to take the time to walk through the sign-up process, but it's only a couple of steps, including a confirmation email. But I do want to show you the last step, which is social or private. Now, social can mean as little as having your name or logo or avatar appear on the profiles of the apps you're using, which is essentially the ability to endorse through usage rather than having to go write reviews or what have you. And we'll see how that works in a couple of minutes too. But it can also mean sharing your usage on Twitter and Facebook if you so choose. Once you're logged in, you have a page to manage your usage and your subscriptions to your bundles. And I've skipped ahead in time here to show Acme Services already using several apps in their bundle. Each app requires a certain number of points, and this bundle has 200 points total. When I turn on an app, let's turn on this accounting app, for example, you see how my point usage has changed. Through Kachingle's easy APIs, which we'll demo in another video, this app will now recognize me as a registered user and provide full access to all its features. Now, one thing Acme Services needs is offsite storage. And this bundle includes a couple of cloud apps. Let's look at the profile for one of these cloud apps and learn more about it. The profile is controlled by the app vendor, just like a bundle profile is controlled by the marketplace. And this can also be customized by the app vendor with any kind of information they like. Under the various tabs, I can also see the users of this app and the revenue of this app, both of which help me understand the app's popularity. Ongoing usage is an endorsement without having to write a review. So when I see a user I recognize and respect in my company's field, like, say this Leaves of Summer is a company that Acme Services knows well, and I see that, that they're using this app heavily, well, that's a strong endorsement. Some businesses using cloud have chosen to be anonymous, and some have chosen to be social. You can see an anonymous user here. Their usage and payments are still displayed because revenue is transparent. We call it crowdsourced auditing. And as a user, you can see that your money flow matches your usage. By the way, apps and bundles are automatically ranked by various factors. For example, actual daily, weekly, or monthly usage, or number of active users, or payments received. This data can be used to create leaderboards, which can be refined by, say, app category or time frame. For example, most popular small business apps this month, or favorite accounting apps. This ranking removes the need for hand curation. The market in real time decides whether these apps are the most valuable apps based on actual usage or revenue or a combination. So I'm definitely turning on the cloud app to try this service and see if it fits my needs. There's no risk for me. If I try it and don't like it, I can turn it off again. And the app gets paid for my little bit of usage, but it doesn't cost me anything extra. I have not bought anything. Trying this premium app cost me nothing out of pocket. So back at the subscriptions page, I've turned on the cloud app. Now, as you can see, I'm starting to run low on points. Some of these apps even tell me I need more points in order to turn them on. I can turn off apps I'm not using, but for right now, this is perfect. And by the way, this system can also manage licensed downloaded software too. You can turn on an app here and receive a license key or a serial number right on this page. And we also have mobile bundling in development. So now, let's say some time has passed and my company's been successful and I find my cloud needs are changing. The bundle I'm in already has my back. There's an app in this bundle called SuperCloud app. And when I go look at its profile, I see it offers twice the storage of other cloud apps, and multiple users and super users with administrative access. And that's exactly what I need. So I go back to my subscriptions. I'm going to turn off, and of course I don't have enough points here, so I'm going to turn off the cloud app that I'm not going to be using anymore. Turn on the SuperCloud app. And I've just upgraded to a new cloud software. I'm a registered user ready to go. Now I have exactly what I need cloud-wise from this bundle, but I'm almost completely out of points up here. However, this isn't a problem. If I need more points, I could upgrade this bundle and have more points to work with. I could upgrade to a different bundle that includes more points and more apps. Or I could purchase an additional bundle that includes other apps I need. In that case, I'm going to explore the marketplace again. And for example, I could subscribe to this $10 starter pack, which has a social networking app that I need. And the additional cost to me is minimal. And by the way, a $1 or $10 bundle would be a great way for apps that are currently struggling with free or freemium to start making a few cents per user per month. So I'm going to subscribe to this bundle. And now I can turn on this social media app. And note, by the way, that Kachingle recognizes when an app is already in use in my other bundle. And at the end of each month, my subscription pay-ins, my $250 and my $10 a month, will be distributed fairly to the apps that I've turned on based on my usage, which I can track from the My Usage tab. And if I'm social, some of this information is visible to others as well. It's another example of how usage all by itself can serve as an endorsement for the applications I find most useful. So that's it from a user's point of view. In our other videos, we'll be looking at what the Kachingle experience is like for app vendors, how Kachingle integrates with apps, and how it is to work with the Kachingle API, which is incredibly easy. It's hours, maybe days to set up. That's it. And also our Kachingle Enterprise Edition, which allows companies to manage access, helping keep costs down by giving each team member access to the apps they need without having to pay for multi-user licenses and that sort of thing that don't fit their needs. So check out the other videos when they're available. And if you have any questions, you can reach us at developers@kachingle.com.